Hey, I've been camping now for about 12 years, me and my family, and we started out in a pop-up. And man, were we wet behind the ears when we got that thing. We didn't know what we were doing. And what did? We depended on friends. We depended on other campers to teach us the ropes, so to speak. You know, back in the days when we bought that, if you'd asked me the difference between a 30 amp and a 50 amp plug, I probably couldn't tell you. I might not even known what that meant. Now, of course, I'm an expert. I'm a pro at it. I've been around the block a few times and I know the tips and tricks. But the newbies don't. So if you've got a way to market to people within maybe an hour or 2 hours of your campground to come on in who are newbies, maybe go down to dealers that are nearby and offer them a free night with the purchase of multiple nights or something like that. Maybe in your off season, don't do it when you're highly booked. Get those newbies to come experience your campground. And maybe you could have a newbie weekend or a newbie week. Newbie Friday, where you're having people come in and having some experienced people to kind of teach them the ropes and some tips and tricks. You know, how to hook up your sewer without making a mess. What do you do if something isn't working? How to replace a fuse, how to inspect your tires, all that good stuff that experienced campers know that the newbies don't even know they're supposed to be worried about. Have a newbie night at your campground. I want to hear about your ideas and things you may have tried and the things you think about trying. Let's get a conversation started. I'm Donna Bordeaux at campgroundaccounting.com.